Okay, we're over here at tub number 2, where we're going to install a PVC type drainage system. And this pipe doesn't have any holes in it. You can buy a pipe that is perforated, because this is a thin wall sewer type pipe. But the problem is, with the thin wall sewer pipe that you'll buy, it's going to have holes on exactly opposite sides of each other. And we're not going to drill like that. We're going to drill our holes so that the water holes are on the bottom of the pipe, but not 180 degrees to each other. We're going to drill them so that they're just kind of around the corner from each other. And it will give an improved way of getting the water out while impeding the infiltration of dirt and many things that'll get in there to choke up our little system. These holes are about a ½ inch diameter, and this is a speed bore. It's kind of the generic name that's used for the drill bit. It's or a flat spade bit, some people call them. That does a real nice job of drilling it. But you can see how we drilled primarily on one side of the pipe, and there's a reason for that. Now we're going to plug the ends of this pipe so that we don't have dirt coming in to the pipes. On the ends, we're just going to use a can to put in the end. Whoops. To put in the end, and we're going to hold it in place with a little piece of stick. We're going to do that on both ends of the pipe to provide a barrier for the infiltration of dirt that will choke up our drainage system. Like that.